Here's looking at the Union Station Train Museum in Ogden, Utah. It was closed during my visit. It is open on Wednesdays through Saturday from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. I would suggest calling them at 801-629-8680 or visiting their website at ogdencity.com to make sure that they are open. This is the Union Station water tower located on the property. It is located on Wall Avenue and the historic 25th Street in downtown Ogden. It has on display about 15 train engines and other rolling stock. It includes a well-preserved Union Pacific 833, a FEF-2 class steam locomotive. This mail car is an example of the rolling stock on display. The station was reconstructed in 1924 after the original structure burned down. The station was rebuilt in a Spanish colonial revival style. At the time of its building, Union Pacific and Southern Pacific used the station. The Union Pacific 4436 is a 2-6-2 steam switcher built by Baldwin Locomotive Works in 1918. At the time of its retirement, it burned oil for fuel. Here's an old Rio-Grande caboose on display, and a Union Pacific caboose. Some more views of that Baldwin. The station houses some other establishments, including a restaurant, gallery, and a firearms museum. Here's a video of the area in front of the station. And again, here's the station. Next time I'm visiting, I plan on checking it out when it's open.